Lucia grew up in the same small village as her older brother Samuel. But unlike Samuel, she struggled in many ways. Where Samuel was steady and hardworking, Lucia often felt restless. She didn't like rules. She didn't like waiting. If there was an easier way, she would take it. As children, Samuel would often remind her, Lucia, honesty will take you far. But she would laugh and say, maybe, but quick is better than honest. She didn't mean to be unkind. She just wanted things to come easily. Life felt heavy and shortcuts seemed like a relief. At school, her teachers grew frustrated with her. She sometimes copied homework from her friends. On tests, she would peek at other students' answers. When teachers caught her, she promised to do better, but inside she still wondered, why work so hard when the easy way is right there? But things never seemed to work out the way she wanted. Even when she copied answers, she didn't understand the lessons. When she lied to get out of trouble, the lies always came back to hurt her. Slowly, she began to feel the weight of her choices. Samuel noticed he had already begun to build his life with honesty and patience, and he wanted to help his little sister. One evening, after she admitted she failed another test, Samuel sat beside her. "Lucia," he said softly, "every shortcut takes you further from the person you could be. Do one honest thing each day, even if it feels small, just one. You'll see the difference." Lucia wanted to roll her eyes, but something about his words stayed with her. That night, she took a small notebook and wrote one honest choice each day. The next morning, she tried. She did her homework on her own, even though it was difficult. The answers weren't perfect, but when she turned it in, she felt something new. A little spark of pride. Day by day, the notebook began to fill. Some days she wrote, "I told the truth when I broke the cup." Others, "I studied for the quiz instead of copying." The changes were small, but slowly she began to feel lighter. Her classmates began to notice too. One boy teased her, "What happened, Lucia? You stopped cheating off me?" She flushed with embarrassment, but replied, "I'm trying to do my own work now." It wasn't easy, but with every honest step, her confidence grew. One week, her math teacher announced a group project. In the past, Lucia would have leaned on others to carry the work. This time, she spoke up. "I'll handle the chart."
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.